Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to make a Bengali Anglo-Indian recipe called kurkit, which is the Bengali vernacular pronunciation of the word croquettes. This is a delicious starter recipe from Calcutta which is perfect for every festive occasion, especially Christmas. For this recipe, I'll be using 500 grams of boiled mutton or goat mince. It has been boiled with a bit of salt, an onion, a bit of ginger and garlic and then blended to this consistency. I'll also need 1 chopped red onion, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of green chili paste, 3 eggs, 5 slices of bread soaked in milk as shown here, some breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of garam masala powder. Let's begin cooking by heating some ghee or clarified butter in a frying pan and then add the chopped red onions into the ghee and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the ginger and garlic paste into the pan along with the green chili paste and mix everything together. Then add the garam masala powder into the pan and blend it in. Now it's time to add the boiled mutton mince into the pan. Add a bit of salt if needed. Then fry well for 6 to 8 minutes. Keep stirring the pan till you reach around this kind of consistency. And then let it cool. Then add the soaked bread slices into the cooled mince and mix them in well so that there are no lumps. Now it is time to shape our kurkits or croquettes. Roll a handful of mince into a ball and then shape them into cylindrical forms, which is the traditional shape of a Bengali kurkit. Follow the method I showed here and that's our kurkits done. Now it is time to dip them in the eggs. Coat them well in the eggs on all sides. Then put them in the breadcrumbs and coat them well on all sides. We will double crumb the kurkits for extra crispiness. So dip them again in the egg and then coat them again in the breadcrumbs. And then they are ready for shallow frying. So put the kurkits in some hot oil and get them nicely brown all over. Make sure that the flame is medium so that you don't burn your kurkits. And that's our kurkit fried. So take them out. Let's plate up our delicious kurkits. Put a bowl of ketchup in the middle and then arrange a salad of onions, tomatoes and lettuce on all sides. And then add the delicious kurkits on the plate for the perfect festive starter. Kurkits or croquettes are a quintessential Bengali Anglo-Indian snack or starter and just right for Christmas and New Year parties. From Anglo-Indian kitchens, the kurkit evolved into mutton chops, one of the most popular Calcutta snacks that rules even today. Give it a try this Christmas and enjoy.